Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 using an easy method. Start with the basics. The left stick controls your skater's movement, while the right stick performs tricks. Push off with the A button on Xbox or X button on PlayStation to gain speed. Use the left stick to steer and maintain balance. Mastering these fundamental movements is your first step to becoming a skate legend. Once you're comfortable moving, it's time for tricks. An ollie is your foundation. Just flick the right stick up. For a kickflip, flick up then left. A heel flip is similar, but flick up then right. Experiment with these simple flicks to see your skater perform amazing aerial maneuvers. Practice makes perfect. Grinds and slides add style to your runs. Approach a rail or ledge with good speed, then ollie onto it. While in the air, hold the right stick in any direction to initiate a grind or slide. For example, holding it left might give you a board slide, while holding it down could be a 50-50 grind. Try different combinations. Landing is crucial. Try to land with your board flat to avoid bailing. To create impressive combos, link tricks together seamlessly. After an ollie, you can land into a manual by gently holding the right stick down, then pop into another trick. This allows you to chain together several moves for massive points and truly showcase your skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.